Hey guys, Samantha here, and Chloe, my dog. Welcome to my channel. This is a safe place to discuss DIYs, showcase my artwork, and much more. Hey y'all, Sam here. So, I have a fun project because yesterday I was trying to practice of how to make a gumball machine. And this is what I came up with. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. So let's get started. So what will you need is a mason jar, a red cup, any cup of your choice, um, glue, um, the mason jar top, um, a donut eraser as like the top of the jar, and a cap bottle, this little friend, um, a Sharpie, and confetti as the gumball. Um, so I'm gonna take my friend here and hold up. Okay, two like. So as I was saying, I'm gonna take my friend here, dip it in, gonna go around like that. I forgot the confetti. I Jesus. I'm very new to this editing thing and I'm already messing up. So what I forgot was to take the confetti, as the gumballs and just stuff it in here. And then we put it on the cup. That is then you're gonna take the top, just make sure it fits, and I'm just gonna pop it and lock it. And put more glue. You could take either the donut or the cap. Uh, let's see which one is cuter. See? Right here. Then you're gonna take this as like the button. Then you're gonna stick it. I'm not good with measuring, so I'm trying to find the center here. And just like that. And then you're gonna close this up. And you make the little door. Well, the thing is fine off, but that's okay. And you're gonna color it in. So that's how you make a gumball machine. If you like this video, um, don't forget to do all the beautiful things on your keyboard. And I would love to hear your feedback on this. Peace.